Hey everybody! So are you guys facing a problem in your GPay where it says something went wrong? So every time you try to open your GPay, it says something went wrong and it automatically closes. Well, you don't have to worry about it because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your something went wrong in GPay problem. But before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. The first thing could be if you're trying to use GPay if you're in a country where it's unavailable. So let's say you're in a country where GPay is not available because GPay is not available in all country. And to check if GPay is available in a country or not, you can just search on your Google writing a country where GPay is available. It's going to give you the list of country where it is available. And if your name is not in that list, then basically your GPay is not available over there. And the only way to fix this problem is to use a VPN and connect your VPN to a country where GPay is available and your GPay should work smoothly. But let's say your connection issue is not a problem, but like your GPay is basically just not working even though you're in a country where it is not banned, alright? The one way to fix it is close your GPay, hold on your GPay, click on app info and click on storage. Click on clear data, click on OK. So what I just did right now is called offloading app. So if you're an iPhone user, you got to search on how you guys can offload app on iPhone. They're going to teach you how you guys can offload app, and you got to offload Google Pay by watching those videos, all right? Because I don't have an iPhone, all right? So once you do that, basically it's done. And let's say it still doesn't fix as a problem after doing that. Hold on GPay, click on app info, go on versus permissions. Make sure to turn all this permission on. And once all of this is turned on, close it. Open your GPay, it should open up. If it still doesn't, just delete your Google Pay and reinstall it again and it should start to work. So that's how you guys can fix your something went wrong in GPay. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.